So we have 4 different battery sizes that traditional hearing aids are going to use. You've got a size 10, which is the smallest that they hold in the hearing aid market. That's going to be the yellow. The next size up is going to be the brown, size 312. You also have a 13, which has a little bit longer battery life, and that's the orange. And then this is for the big power hearing aids. This is a size 675. So there are 4 different sizes that you're going to see in hearing aid batteries. You can find these just about anywhere. Of course, your local Miracle-Ear store will carry your brand and size, but you can also find these things out at Walgreens, Walmart, your supermarket stores. Depending on the size of batteries that you have, that's going to depend on how many days they're going to last. So when we talk about a size 10, we're looking at about 3 to 5 days on these. Some can get up to 7 days. When we're looking at the size 312, we're 7 to 10 days. You're looking at a little over 2 weeks on the size oranges and pushing 3 weeks on the blues. So depending on the size battery will depend upon how much life it has. While you're wearing it and the battery starts to die, what you should expect for it to occur is it's going to either play a tone or it's going to play a word that says battery. So depending on what product that you're wearing, it's going to have a battery indicator. Ask your consultant about what your battery indicator sounds like. Some pro tips that you can expect to help your batteries last a little longer is the zinc-air batteries have a sticker on them for a reason. Zinc-air. It takes air to activate these things. So the care of your batteries is important. You want to keep it in a cool, dry spot. When it's time to activate the battery, you're going to want to pull that sticker off and let it sit for about 1 minute before we actually use the battery. So pull the sticker off, put that on your calendar, because that's gonna tell you about when you should expect for it to die back again. Let it sit 1 minute before inserting it. And at that point, you should get your full life out of your battery. And so in the evening times when it's time to go to bed and you're finished wearing your hearing aids for the day, what you're going to want to do, depending on which battery style you're in, if you are in the zinc-air, what you're going to do is either power down your hearing aid or open the battery door. It is important that that battery stays cool and dry the entire time. If you ever think that it had gotten moist through the day, either through sweat or you got in the shower by accident or caught in the rain, then be sure to take the battery full out, wipe it down with a paper towel, set it apart from your hearing aid until you're ready to use it again in the morning time. What happens to those batteries if they get moist? They corrode, and they corrode inside your hearing aid. So it's very important on the zinc-air batteries to always make sure that those batteries are dry. So open them up at nighttime, gives you a little bit more life. So remember, when you get ready to do this, make sure that the sticker has been firmly attached the whole time. So make sure you take good care of your stickers on top of your batteries. When you're ready to use them, you're going to pull that sticker right off. Stick it on a calendar so you know how long it's going to take before the battery dies back. Wait 1 full minute. Now with typical batteries, there are 2 sides to it, a positive and negative side. That's true with zinc-air batteries as well. What you're looking for is the flat side or the positive side. Then you're going to open the battery door. And again, you're going to want to set it in the caddy, right? So, and again, we're going to look at the flat side or positive side up. If you have it in incorrectly, flip it over. On the back side of it, there's usually a punch-out spot that you can take a pen to poke it back out, flip it back over and stick it in correctly. So the trick is flat side or positive side up. And that's how we do zinc-air batteries.